This is my honest review of this Presto ceramic electric skillet. I have owned this for over 4 years. Obviously, looks-wise, it's just starting to wear a little bit where the heating element is, but functionally, it is still working perfect. It is a true non-stick skillet, so I make pancakes on this almost every weekend, and I have never had them stick. I don't even pre-butter it, honestly. I mean, I do have a little bit of butter in my recipe, but I never even apply like oil or spray or anything, and they do not stick. So that's why I've really been happy with this. I also really love the large size. It's 22 inches. This is the black color. It's just great. It does come with a little tray that you can hook on there. Also for storage, I take these little handles off. Super easy to detach here. And then the little dial here, you can just pop right out. So I slide it in my drawer with all of like my cookie sheets, but it's a great little ceramic thing. Fits a lot. We have a family of 4 and I can do a bunch of pancakes on here all at once. You could also use it for eggs, bacon, but I'm usually a pancake girl on here. So highly recommend this. I like that it's the ceramic nonstick, so it's a little bit healthier than your traditional nonstick. So great, and it's 4 years, still going strong, and I'm hoping it'll last many years to come.